Today's video from Sam4S Help. We're taking a look at a paper saving option on the ER900 series of registers. So in this video I'm using the 940, but the process will be the same across the range. So we've got an error message coming up on the machine saying J paper ends because I haven't got any journal paper loaded. So the quick solution is to put some new till roll in. You can also, if you don't use the journal roll or not interested in getting a journal print all the time, you can actually deactivate the paper sensor, allowing the till to operate without the journal roll, all till roll loaded. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All you need to do is turn the key round to the PGM position, type in 30, then press subtotal, followed by 16, then the X time or quantity time button, followed by 1, subtotal and cache. You get a little printout telling you which options you've changed within the system option programming. So paper, the key one there, printer paper sensor active, we've sent that to no. If we now turn the key round to the reg mode, it doesn't prove anything unless I take the paper out, does it? So if I now take the journal paper out, and I wouldn't necessarily recommend this on the twin roll machines because obviously you must have ordered the journal roll for a reason. It's more if you've run out of till roll, I guess, and you want to use the machine. So we've got no journal roll loaded, and the machine's operating. I'm going to test and see if it works without the till roll. Obviously, the only thing I would say is you do need till roll in it to print your end of day report, and also in order to do the programming, initially you'd have had to have both till rolls loaded. So yeah, the machine can operate totally without any paper in it. I'm not necessarily recommending that. It's a system option, and you can change the system options, so that's how to do it. Obviously, if you want an end of day report, you're going to need to put the till roll back in at some point. But that video may have been helpful. I hope it has. We've got plenty of other videos showing you how to set up and use the ER900 series. Some of those will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.